Hi everyone. You know there's at the moment with the COVID crisis a big economic stimulus package. Well, you might not know it's about $10 trillion. What is $10 trillion? I thought it might be useful to explain. Well, that's a $100 bill. That's 10,000. That's what it looks like. That's what $1 million piled up looks like. Let's just do that again. $100 becomes 10,000. That's a million. Million's not as big as you thought, is it? 100 million gets interesting. Okay, you need a crate, and it'll make a nice little sofa for you as well. Well, wait a minute. $100 million is about 1 year's worth of work for 3,500 average Americans. That's 3,500 average Americans working for a year. That gets you $100 million if they were slaves. Okay, fine. What does a billion look like? Well, a few more crates and you've got a billion. Fair enough. We still haven't got to our trillion yet. A couple of billion. And yeah, okay, we can see that it starts piling up a bit. A trillion. See that in the background? That's a Boeing jumbo jet. They're not taking off, and that's why it's on the ground. You got the White House there as well. That's a trillion. That's what it's going to look like. That's just 1 trillion, though. And you can see, there's the lady with her million just there on the sofa. So, 2020, what is 2 trillion? Just the 2 trillion. Never mind the global 10. The 2 trillion emergency stimulus package by the US government look like. This is what it looks like. Got all those pallets. All right, and let's not forget who got some of this. 32 billion for the airlines. That's their bit. 250 billion unemployment insurance. Don't know if you can see it. Direct household payments. 301 billion. That's a lot of pallets. And there she is sitting at home. Happy, presumably. She got her payout. But look at all of that. And that's just 2 trillion. What does it mean? Well, I'm not going to make a guess on what it might mean for gold or oil or anything else. Has it gone into the right hands? Is it going to make an impact in terms of getting economic recovery, creating jobs, making sure the homeless are fed, making sure those who have been furloughed and unemployed get back to work? Don't have any of those answers. Got some pretty images though.